Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain the technique for calibration of the analog oscilloscope. We will set the volt for 2 volts and time for 1 millisecond. So the first one, we need to on the oscilloscope. So next, we will connect the volt. So we will connect the negative to the ground and positive to the CIL. So we set the volt for 2 volt and time for 1 millisecond. So the diagram will be like this.
Today I want to teach how to use signal generator and oscilloscope. Firstly, on the oscilloscope and on the signal generator. So they connect BNB to the oscilloscope and another BNB to the output signal generator. After they set to the 2.0 and function to the square wave at the range 1 kHz. And volt per division we set to the 2 volt, and after that amplitude we set, and for time division we use a 0.2 millisecond, and the display is the same for the drawing.